Hey, welcome to Insider Tips. In today's Insider Tips, I will talk about the point of a marketing strategy. But before I do that, have you heard about the post-COVID-19 action plan for hospitality properties? If you haven't, you need to check it out. And you can do this by visiting keystonehpd.com/post-COVID-19 action plan. What's the point of a marketing strategy? The point of a marketing strategy is to generate business. Without a marketing strategy, you'll wander aimlessly. Think of it like this. You're in a new city and you have to get to a specific address. You do not have GPS or even a map. Yes, you'll eventually find the address, but you'll waste a lot of time and effort on the way. Another way to look at it is think of the last time you bought a bookshelf from Ikea or the updated financial program for your computer. Did they come with step-by-step instructions? Think of your marketing strategy as a step-by-step instruction for your success. A great marketing strategy is laid out to its lowest common denominator. Like all other policies and procedures in your operations manual, your marketing strategy has to be an easy-to-understand process, with platforms, where to market, dates, and costs listed. You or your accountant do not leave all your business facts and figures in your heads. They should be in financial reports for ongoing reviewing and monitoring. For your business to work effectively, you have to know the numbers. There's no difference in your marketing strategy. You have to have a well-written document laying out your game plan. Imagine the mess if someone who was responsible for your marketing, for some reason, had to give up that responsibility. If a new person took over and did not have the plan, your plan, they would have to start from scratch. A huge waste of time and money. A marketing strategy should be designed annually, but that can be very difficult if you're in the middle of a day-to-day hospitality property operation. To do your marketing strategy justice, I recommend you step away from your business. If your organizational structure is in place and running properly, this should not be a problem. Get away from your smartphone, the front desk, and make time to think of the big picture. Brainstorm with your sales team, or at least a trusted employee or partner. Once you've done this for a few years, designing your marketing strategy will simply become reviewing your marketing strategy. Enhance the platforms that are working, delete the ones that are not, and researching new exciting trends coming down the road. Well, that's it for today's Insider Tip. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and make sure to join one of our groups. You can subscribe at keystonehpd.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit keystonehpd.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.